good, YouTube? It's your girl, Asia.
And it's your boy, BJ.
Back in the building.
Back in effect.
Back like we never left.
And we appreciate y'all for tuning in, pulling up. Y'all go ahead and take a seat. We got it from here.
Yeah.
As you can see by the thumbnail, we're going to be jumping into Simon and Garfunkel. This is going to be our first time doing Simon and Garfunkel.
It is, actually.
Yeah, the title of this one is The Boxer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this should be pretty interesting.
Yeah. If you haven't already, be sure you head over to my vlog channel. I'm just Asia, y'all. Check out the content. I also have a reaction channel. I'm still Asia, dropping fire reactions. The links will be in the description for both of those channels, so make sure y'all check them out.
If y'all are watching right now, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from Asia and BJ. Yeah. And y'all, hey, let's go ahead and jump into it. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go and get into this.
Simon and Garfunkel, The Boxer.
Yeah.
I'm just a poor boy, though my story is seldom told. I've squandered my resistance for a pocket full of mumbles, such are promises. All lies and jest, still a man hears what he wants to hear and disregards the rest.
Whoa, the harmony.
That harmony, hey,
is
yeah,
crazy.
I caught that too. They was ready for it too.
What?
Oh, they was ready for it.
When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers in the quiet of the railway station, running scared, laying low, seeking out the poor quarters where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they would know. La 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 la. Asking only workers' wages, I come looking for a job, I get no offers. Just to come on from the horse on 7th Avenue. I do declare there were times when I was so lonesome, I took some comfort there. La 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 la.
I like this. You know what I like the tropical feel to this. I'm trying to feel like it almost. It's
that music, that background music.
It's definitely like the background, but it's like there's something tropical about this song for some reason. I don't know why I'm picking up tropical vibes. Like I don't know where they are. Maybe it's the sound. I feel like more the sound.
It's him on the guitar. Yeah, for sure.
There's something about this that sounds so much like it's very light feeling. You know what I mean?
It's probably the guitar and then also you know the blue button-down shirt too. Maybe no.
You need to stop.
No, but the harmonies is really beautiful.
They are tight, y'all.
They are.
They are tight.
Then I'm laying out my winter clothes, wishing I was gone, going home, where the New York City winters aren't leaving me. In the clearing stands a boxer and a fighter buys trade, and he carries the reminders of every glove that laid him down or cut him till he cried out in his anger and his shame, I'm leaving, but the fighter still remains, still remains.
Them together, they really made that song sound really, really good.
What a beautiful song, too. The way that they made that sound, the way that they just performed it live, y'all, the harmonies are on point.
You the harmony queen.
They are on point, but the vibe of that just in general, even to say that they're older gentlemen, like when you hear good music, you just hear it. You recognize it, you know what it sounds like, you know what it feels like, y'all.
I was gonna say that. Sometimes you hear it, but sometimes you just feel it.
Yeah, but I can guarantee you everybody that was still out there was there obviously to see them, but just in that moment, you know what I mean? Because I feel like that's just kind of like the atmosphere that they created with the sound that they were given. You know what I mean? The vibe. So I was like, for some reason, I feel like I'm just like, shoot, I need to be kicked back somewhere, like with my little drink in my hand, on the beach with the little umbrella and everything.
I didn't really catch that vibe.
I did.
I kind of caught, like, even when they kind of made references to like New York and the cold and things like that. Like I kind of got like a more like East Coast vibe-ish type to it.
Yeah.
Everything that they was playing, and like you said, in regards to like all the instrumentation too, some of that might have been like the guitar, then the accordion.
Yeah.
So it was a lot of different elements of music in there too.
Maybe there, because I was gonna say.
I think like, you're looking at the shirt, the shirt too long.
He did have a flower on his shirt. He had flowers on his shirt, roses. No, but I mean, like, I don't know. It was just a very light feeling, very light sound. Even though you're right, he was referenced because he was talking about, you know, the cold and stuff like that. Like, it was just a vibe that it was giving off. Like, you know what I mean? It just gave me like a light kind of feel, like a man.
Kind of like a laid back, more of like a melancholy type of feel.
Yeah.
Just really laid back.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed them.
But the thing about like music is universal, so it's about how it makes you feel. If it makes you feel good, then it's for you.
Right.
You know?
Agree. So.
Your prescription has been filled.
Right. If y'all enjoyed this video, be sure you give us a big thumbs up.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from Asia and BJ. And if ain't nobody told you, I love you. And we're going to see y'all in the next video, y'all.
Salute to all my real ones out there.
Yeah. Bye.